thinks it's so much fun. Here comes Andy Pandy in Andy Pandy Land.
Andy Pandy had secretly been growing a bush of flowers as a surprise present for Looby Loo. He was going to plant it in Looby's garden when she wasn't looking. Looby Loo had made some fizzy lemonade, and she was bringing a jug of it for Andy to taste. When Andy heard Looby, he quickly hid the bush. Looby hadn't seen the bush and asked Andy to taste her fizzy lemonade. Andy said the lemonade was delicious. Looby was so delighted she went straight home to make some more. Andy was pleased Looby hadn't seen the flower bush. He went to his special cupboard to find a spade to dig a hole for it. Teddy had come to visit Andy, but Andy was making so much noise that he didn't hear him say hello. Teddy noticed the jug on Andy's table and wondered what was inside. Teddy thought Looby's lemonade looked very tasty, and he just had to try it. Teddy tried to hide before Andy caught him drinking his lemonade without asking. Teddy had drunk the fizzy lemonade so quickly he'd given himself hiccups. When Andy heard the hiccups, he soon found Teddy's hiding place. Andy was pleased to see Teddy, as he needed help in taking the bush to Looby's garden and planting it. Teddy still had hiccups, but Andy knew how to help. A sudden shock would soon cure them. So Andy fetched a bag full of ice. Now they could plant the bush in secret without Looby hearing Teddy's hiccups. Oh no! As soon as he started digging, Teddy's hiccups began again. Looby Loo had heard a strange sound from her garden. But by the time she looked outside, Andy and Teddy had gone. Andy thought it would be best to wait until dark and plant the bush after Looby Loo had gone to bed. While he waited for Teddy, Andy drank the rest of Looby's fizzy lemonade. Teddy had finished his supper and was ready to help. It didn't take Teddy long to dig a hole big enough for the bush, and Andy Pandy was ready to plant it. Oh no! Andy had drunk so much fizzy lemonade he'd given himself hiccups. Looby Loo was fast asleep, but Andy didn't want to wake her. Teddy remembered how Andy had stopped his hiccups, and he tried to give Andy a shock. It had worked. Andy and Teddy planted the bush as quickly as they could. They hurried home before anyone hiccuped again. Next morning, Andy asked Bilbo and Missy Hissy to tell Looby Loo about the flower bush which had grown in her garden during the night, as he wanted to hide and see how surprised she was. Andy and Teddy were thrilled that Looby was so pleased with her new flower bush. At last it was time for Andy to tell Looby that it was he who'd grown the bush and secretly planted it. Looby told Andy how much she loved the bush and what a wonderful surprise it had been. And she thanked him with a glass of her newest fizzy lemonade. But this time everyone sipped the fizzy lemonade very slowly, and no one got hiccups.